Do you know that one of the most important parts when you start your lash journey is to understand how to position your hands correctly on the client's forehead and on the client's face? I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to position your hands correctly and how to start in the correct way. When you work on your right side, you always move your body towards the right. So your isolation hand, it becomes straight, easy for you to open. When you work on the left eye, your whole support on your picking hand should be on top of the nose. Use this to support your hand.
You're listening to the Time Lash Artist Podcast. If you want to jumpstart your lash career, you can also watch Cosmi's free lash training at www.fulltimelashartist.com. Let's grow.
Hi, my name is Cosmina. I'm a certified lash artist and also I'm a lash trainer. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to position your hands correctly when you first start lashing. Okay guys, so in this video, I'm going to explain you how to position yourself correctly when you do an application. And I believe this is the most important part when it comes to your beginning stage, because it's extremely important to understand how is the correct position for both of your hands in order for you to be relaxed and in order for you to be comfortable. So for example, we have two types of tweezers right here. One is isolation, which is always on your left hand if you're righty. If you're lefty, then it should be on your right side. And then this is the picking tweezer. As you see, the shape is different. Both of the tweezers have different type of tip. The one that you isolate has a curved tip, so it's going to be easier for you to go and grab the lashes from the root. And one has an L shape, more like a boot L shape, just because it's easier for you to grab the lashes and go. So now, this is what I want to explain first. When you work with isolation tweezer, you want to make sure that you hold the tweezers correctly. So I don't want you to do this with those two fingers, with the thumb and a pointy, because you're going to put too much pressure on your muscles. So the way you make your life easier is to use the thumb and the middle. So those are the two fingers that you basically do the job. Open, close, open, close. Now, when you do the isolation on the right eye, so we're right here right now, it's so important for you to isolate straight, meaning instead of this side, you have to be straight in order for you to pick and grab the lashes straight, so you can see them directly from the base. So I think this is extremely important before you start anything. How you're going to do that, I know you may ask right now, but how I'm going to position my hand like this? So when you work on your right side, you always move your body towards the right. So your isolation hand, it becomes straight, easy for you to open. If you stay normal with your body position in the center of the head, then your angle is going to be like this. Obviously, we cannot isolate like this, because as soon as you come with your placement and do the placement, it's gonna interfere with your isolation tweezer. So always make sure, this is one of the most important part when you start. Make sure your hand becomes straight. You either work on your right or you either work on your left. You want to isolate the same. Not like this, not like this, because it's going to be hard when you do the placement. Just think about something. You isolate right now, and then when you come with your placement, you can easily go directly into the center of your tweezer. But if you're like this, you can easily stack the lashes together. This is very, very important to understand. Another thing that I always explain to my students, always work with both hands. You have right and left. You have two tweezers that you can work. Because think about something. When you're here trying to isolate and trying to find a natural lash, your hand is basically waiting for you on the side. You're just waiting for you to isolate, right? But how about if you use both hands and help with the second tweezer to isolate faster? I think this is extremely important to speed up your work and also to help yourself to find the lash quicker. See? I go and dig between the lashes and one apparently comes up. You go both tweezers. With one you move, with the other one you find the lash. You move, you find the lash. And that's how we work with both hands in the same time. And also it's gonna make your life easier too. So let's say I'm going to isolate this. I'm gonna pick the lash, go in the glue, and then position your picking hand based on your natural lash growth. Now hold, slowly open and let it go. And we have the first lash applied. Never work next to each other because you want to give them time to dry. So let's say I have this lash. You position your hand same as the natural lash is growing. Hold and let it go. When you work on the left eye, your whole support on your picking hand should be on top of the nose. Use this to support your hand. So for example, if I work in this little corner, I pick the lashes. As soon as I come, I can support my hand here in between the nose. When I work farther, for example, in this corner, I move my body and then pick the lash. Go above the nose, go on top of the nose, and then let your fingers play. See, I work with both hands in the same time, and also my picking hand, I work with 3 fingers, the thumb, the middle, and the pointy, and place. Okay, so this is extremely important. Try to play a few times with this. You don't have to apply any lashes, but try to just play with both of your hands just to, understand the muscle memories and understand how the position is, how the body is, and try to be comfortable on your own.
If you got a passion for lashes, let me see it. It's time to level up. If you need me to, I'll teach you my 6-figure secret. Better believe it, 'cause I believe in you. You're listening to the Full-Time Lash Artist Podcast. If you want to jumpstart your lash career, you can also watch Cosmi's free lash training at www.fulltimelashartist.com. Let's grow.